Hello and welcome to this LGfL video where we're going to cover the Microsoft 365 email recovery as a PST file. So first of all, I need to log into the GridStore app as my GridStore administrator. And once we've logged in, I'm going to make my way over to the left hand side and I'm going to click on Microsoft 365. As you can see, I've been backing up my Mail, OneDrive, SharePoint and Teams. In this case, we're going to look at my Mail, and I can see all of the users in my tenancy that have been backing up to the GridStore service. Now, the reason why you might want to recover a user back to a PST file could be that the fact you've already deleted that user from Microsoft 365. So having the ability to recover back to a PST file means you can do all sorts of things with that PST file. Either open it immediately directly in Outlook, or you could potentially import that PST file into a different user's mailbox. So in this case, I can either choose Adam. In this case, I can see that his backup was successful. I can also choose a different point in time when to recover Adam's email, and I can also see that he's currently protecting within the GridStore service 9.7 gig. So if I choose that user and click on the recover button at the bottom right hand corner, you can see there is an option to export to a PST file. Now in this example, if I was to kick that off, that would then build me a 9.7 gig PST file. But I also want to show you, if we deselect the user at the top level and click on the Adam Cronin's mailbox, this will then give me the ability to drill into a particular date and time, drill into my mailbox, click into that user's inbox, and I can see the from address, the subject line, and whether an attachment exists within those mail items. So I can now go and choose a number of items for recovery. And if I click down on the recover button, as you've seen in previous videos, I can recover those 7 items back to that user's mailbox. But if that mailbox doesn't exist, this is where I want to export to a PST file. So I'm going to click on that option. And then of course, I'll have to authenticate with my Microsoft 365 tenant subscription. Fantastic, so you'll see a little bubble pop up to say that the restore of the PST file has started, and this can take a few minutes depending on the amount of email that you've chosen to restore. So we now have to wait for the GridStore service to compile us a PST file for that user's mailbox, and then the GridStore service will drop us an email once it's complete. Fantastic, now that the restore to PST file has completed, I can go into my Outlook, and you'll see I have an email from GridStore telling me that my mailbox for Adam Cronin is ready to download. So I can simply open up that email and click on the link to access the PST file. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, that's downloading the PST file. So now if I open up Outlook, I can simply go File, Open and Export, open an Outlook data file, look in my downloads area for the PST file I've just restored, click on OK, and if we have a look here, there is the inbox and the 7 items I've just restored as a PST file. Thanks ever so much for watching.